Hello my beautiful skulls. This Halloween video will be different. I will not do on myself. I will have a supermodel. I will do on the face of my friend. And he is so cute. Also, I wanted to tell you that this is the first time I am recording video for YouTube, and I will be live on my Instagram account. I mean, someone is watching me while I'm doing mask, and I'm always alone in my studio, so I think I will be shy. Me? Shy? I just need one beer. My friend Uki is here, and let's start applying my mostlydead.com mask. And before we start applying mask, I will turn my Instagram live video and we will record everything. Those masks are easy to apply. Just glue them with prosthetic. It's up to you how you want to paint them. He is checking. This is a unique size, and sometimes you need to stretch them to fit your face. I didn't want Urosh to get shaved. We will do with his beard.
We'll try. At least we'll try.
Yeah, okay. I will check this mask on Urosh's face. Should I do some changes or not? This lower part fits. Open your mouth. Excellent. Upper part to fit his nostrils with the nostrils of the mask, but the thing is we can see eyes, so I need to stretch a little bit this mask. Before I apply mask, I will apply eyelashes. This is the first time you're applying the eyelashes and we're going live.
Feels a bit uncomfortable, but we'll try.
Okay, you need to be brave. I need to find eyelashes. I'm going to find eyelashes, and you check these questions. Questions! I think I found them. I hope those eyelashes are okay. You see, they're creepy, but they're still blue. I am very gentle, okay, so without stress. Okay, first I will clean. Can you believe that he will apply for the first time eyelashes live? Do you want some beer?
No.
Whiskey?
I'm hungry.
Okay.
I'm calm anyway.
Okay. And yes!
LG amor. Alright.
Okay, now you will start to cry. And it's natural that you start to cry. And you need some time, you know, to accept.
Ayo. Ayo.
I found 3 more. So I have green with dark edge. I have a spiral. Look, these ones. Okay, and third one. They can look very good. Let's try yellow.
Whatever.
Yeah, we can try yellow. So these eyelashes are from pinkyparadise.com. Okay, another eye. He didn't know that I will apply eyelashes to him before he came. This one.
I like this color.
Yeah, because this color reminds me more for some comic look. You know?
Yes, this is sick. This is unreal. Definitely unreal.
Yeah. I need to take out blue one. He loves me too much. Look at my
I've seen it work.
Thank you. I hope you already checked mostlythat.com and you have them on Instagram and you can see how dope and sick and awesome masks they have. Guys, I forgot to record applying my lower part. I'm applying Vaseline on his eyebrows.
Thank you.
I do that to myself all the time. Just few minutes to get dry this glue so I can press. I'm going to drink some beer and I will be back in 50 minutes.
Hey yo!
Here.
Can I drink something? No.
Of course you can drink. You want Coke? Why not? Really? I will bring you. We need to have some fun, honey. Okay, beer for me and Coke for you.
I'm still 17, so.
But I'm not. Okay, let's start painting our face with white super color. Just press and tap. You see, when I tap, you can feel where mask is glued and where not, right? Add some skin tones to make that extra texture. With my gray tones of my palette, Jeffree Star, I will add shapes. I will go on places which are deep to create that deepness more and more 3D. Yeah, this is awesome. For these smaller wrinkles, I will use a smaller brush and just feel and blend. I don't know why I will add here this line.
It's nice. It's lovely.
Yeah. Now I'm adding some wrinkles on forehead to connect mask and his skin. Using red greasy paint and make that clown nose. Even if he's sad, he has a smile. You can apply paint and after that blend that color. While I am still with red paint, I will paint lips. I will start with the lower lip. Oh my god. You see that? I am awesome beauty makeup artist. Girl, you have a beautiful lips.
Don't do that, please.
Okay, we're done. Let's paint eyes and I'm using blue greasy paint and going up. Everything needs to look messy. Now I am applying blue eyeshadow to set this blue greasy paint, gray greasy paint on his chin and on this part to camouflage this mask. Now we decided to add some wire and diamond, so I will paint that. I can't make it smaller. Okay, let's paint this wire. I don't know how I will paint this, but when you have a client for Halloween, he wants everything. As a joker, we need to have green hair. This is water-based color and it's easy to wash.
This is amazing.
Few more things to make perfect and we are done.
1, 2, I'd like to kill you. 3 and 4. No, I want to do more. 5, 6. Just one of my tricks. 7, 8. And now I feel really great. 9, 10. And I probably do it again. Want to see a trick? I showed you one. With sun. It was funny, right? It is. This is one of my best tricks. Just kidding. I just like killing people.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share. Happy Halloween!